Hebrews chapter 12. Say we maun hold on all a mair, to fit we've been telt richt gate, for fear we drift awa fae it. 'Cause gin the message, gien throw the sins was richt, say only I didna bide be it, or hold on wi' it, we'd get fit was comin' till them. Fu can we win out gin we dinna pay attention till a salvation at's offered till his new-a-days. His salvation was first announced through a word o' a maester himsel', on them fa heard it till his ains aboot it. On Almighty his preven fit they telt is, be signs and winners and fairlies all kind and be handsel, and a pure spirit all working out his ain will. Almighty didn't pit a wirl at still to come under a control o' the sins. And that's a wirl we're speaking about. But somebody ain't said, fit's a man at ye mine on him, or a son o' men, at ye visit him. Ye made him a wee bitty a net the sins. Ye crooned him wi' esteem and honour, and ye set him o'er a work o' your ain hands, and ye put all things in servitude aneth his feet. Tak heed that he says all things under a rule o' men. He left Nathan out, but we dinna yet see all things under his rule. Fit we see is Jesus, for a wee filey made laker nor the sins, subjected to pain and death, say at he myth, we Almighty's mercy, taste death for his all. New croon we esteem and honour, it was bit richt at Almighty, for created all thing, infessing mony wrongdoings to esteem, should mock a maester of them all, a perfect maester, through a fact that he suffered, a lad that mocks folk pure, and them that are made pure are een and the same. And he's nae affronted to call them his ain folk, says he. I'll speak out your name to my ain folk, i' the midst of the borough o' Chaldeans, I'll sing your praise. And he says, I'll put my trust in him. And again, look at this, me and a bairnies Almighty has gien ma. Just as a bairnies are flesh and bleed, he took on flesh and bleed, say at through his death, he might destroy him for his power o' death. That's to say, it deal himsel, and say he might set loose them for all their lives were bound in chains, we being feared o' death. It's true to say that he didna turn out to be a sin, but a human being, een o' the bairns o' Abraham. He hid to be made the same as his brothers in ilka appearance, say he might be a merciful and faithful high priest, in all things relating to Almighty, and at the same time to bring about at Almighty would forgie all folks' ill deeds. 'Cause by way o' his ain suffering under temptation, he can help all them far tempted.